All right, can you tell me your name and where you're coming from?
Hi, my name is Geraldine Almeida. I'm coming originally from London, but living in Mozambique, Southern Africa for the last 20 years.
And what were your symptoms, or what did you originally come in our office for?
I had a right total hip replacement 11 years ago. That was my 40th birthday present. And at the time, the surgeon said that he would have to do the other one 10 years later. And sure enough, I started having a lot of pain in my left hip. That got worse. Every step was really, really painful. And I had started getting low back pain as well. So getting up off the chair was very uncomfortable for me.
And what results did you get here in our office?
It's been amazing. Dr. Bergman told me that the problem wasn't actually with my hip. I had a reverse curve in my C-spine, I had scoliosis in my thoracic spine, and discs that were not in good shape in my lumbar spine. And just looking at the x-rays, after nearly 60 sessions, the reverse curve in my neck is corrected. The scoliosis in my thoracic spine is all back gone, and the discs are regenerating in my lumbar spine. I've got a lot less pain. I'm no longer limping when I walk. It's not uncomfortable to get out of the chairs anymore, so I've had a brilliant result.
Wonderful. Do you have anything else that you want to add?
The entire team here at Dr. Bergman's, it really is a family. I highly recommend that you come. It can change your life. It really can. Just come. It's fantastic. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Geraldine.